Welcome back. If you're missing those little notification badges on your Snapchat app icon, especially for snaps and chats, you're not alone. Those badges are super useful because they show you exactly when you have unread messages without even opening the app. In this quick guide, I'll show how to turn them on step by step. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where all the important system controls live, including how your apps behave. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This will show you a full list of all the apps installed on your device. Now find and tap on Snapchat. This opens up all the permissions and notification settings specifically for Snapchat. Next, tap on Notifications. Here is where you control how Snapchat alerts you about activity. After that, look for notification categories and tap on it. This section lets you customize different types of notifications separately. Now, tap on Snaps and Chats. These are the notifications for direct messages, snaps, and conversations, so this is the important part. Finally, look for the option called App Icon Badges and toggle it on. Once this is enabled, you'll start seeing those small numbers or dots on your Snapchat icon whenever you have unread snaps or chats.